Your TV has an HDMI port, as well as your laptop having an HDMI port, and you don't want to use a wired cable to the TV to your laptop. We're going to show you what this product is about. From the company Oisolable is your wireless HDMI. It comes in a nice box. You have your two wireless receiver transmitters, labeled PC, TV. Underneath will be information. You have here our cables, USB-A to C, micro and mini HDMI to 8K HDMI ports, an instruction guide on how to set up and install. The PC, blue LED indicator, USB-C, and the HDMI port. Plugs into the unit by finding the HDMI port and lights up, running its test. The HDMI to the TV set. Find the port, remove your cable, and plug in to the HDMI port. With the USB-C and A cable, plug in to a power source. Plug in the C to the unit. The screen dims down and opens up, and automatically connects to your laptop and playing. The HDMI wireless kit runs about 100 plus feet from your computer to the HDMI wirelessly. Everything on the computer is showing on the TV screen. This is the HDMI PC and the HDMI TV wireless. When all done, simply disconnect and remove from your computer and or TV set, and can be transferred from TV to TV and hooked up to the USB-C port. The PC runs off of the actual unit with no power, and the TV runs off of the USB-A or optional brick USB-A to C cable supplied. You're given two cables, a transmitter and receiver, and they will run anything on your computer wirelessly. Watch TV shows, do presentations, anywhere imaginable. I hope this product is something that you are looking for HDMI wireless output input. Enjoy your computer needs. Thank you for viewing.